welcome to my channel Learn English with Teacher Leila. Take for Edu with the Teacher Leila to a new lesson about food and drink vocabulary. Let's start with at restaurants. You can see here a waiter serving a lady at the restaurant. Seafood like mussels. Sushi roll. This girl is eating sushi roll at the restaurant. Sushi rolls are kind of seafood with rice, cuttlefish, sauteed cuttlefish, crab seafood fish, crab, shrimp seafood dish, lobster, smoothie. At the restaurant they serve yummy smoothies. Desserts can be a cake, yummy. Now let's move to some vocabulary of dishes and meals. Pizza, fried eggs or omelette, chicken or fried chicken, broth, salad, veggies, rice, spaghetti, French fries, burger or sandwich, soup, bread, pastries like cakes, pancakes, croissants, tarts, meat, cutlet, beef, lamb,
and give that outdoor charcoal flavor to indoor cooking.
lamb,
Grill tomorrow for
sausage, hot dog, barbecue, turkey or roasted turkey.
Gee, I wish I had a home like this.
Other cooking assets that add flavor and aroma to our dishes like what? Spices. Yes, like cumin, paprika, salt, and so on. Also herbs. Mint that we add to tea. Seasoning herbs. Hot sauce. Mayonnaise sauce. Now let's learn some vocabulary related to vegetables. Can you name some of them? Which is better, in your opinion? Medical vitamins or natural vitamins that we find in vegetables? Let's listen and then you can repeat after me. Tomatoes, cabbage, lemon, cucumber, mushroom, zucchini, peppers, pumpkin, turnips, potatoes, carrots, onions, broccoli, asparagus, sweet potato, lettuce, peas, spinach, beans, green beans, cauliflower, hot chili peppers, maize or corn, maize, radish, squash, fennels, beets, celery, artichoke. Now let's learn some types of drinks in English. Mineral water, to start with, mineral water. Look at the mineral water bottles from the factory. And here, tap water or tap water. Lemonade, different juices, like for example orange juice, it's natural and sweet. Lemon juice, it's fresh and cold. Fizzy drinks. Look at these examples of fizzy drinks like cola and these others. This example, of course. Another one. And this one too. These are called fizzy drinks. Now milkshake, ice cream, macchiato, coffee, espresso, cappuccino, green tea, green tea. And of course, black tea, black tea. Come on, let's learn other kinds of food. Other vocabulary related to food like olive oil, olive oil. Eggs, eggs. Cheese, cheese. Butter, butter. Flour, flour. Salt, salt. Chocolate, chocolate or chocolate, chocolate. Cream, cream. Garlic, garlic. Ginger, ginger. Healthy diets. Healthy diets means eating a variety of food that gives you the nutrition you need to maintain your health in good shape. Here are some advice. Think positively and exercise daily. Eat healthy, work hard, stay strong, build faith, worry less, read more, and be happy. Stay safe, dear learners, and healthy. We will defeat the coronavirus by eating healthily. Take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe.